Most beginners trying to make money with AI make the same mistakes, and these mistakes are exactly why they don't see results. In this video, I'll show you 5 common AI mistakes and how to avoid them. Let's get into it. The first mistake is trying to do too many things at once. A lot of beginners jump from one idea to another. Content writing today, social media tomorrow, something else next week. The result? No real progress. Instead, pick one thing and focus on it. That's how you actually improve. The second mistake is relying completely on AI. Yes, AI is powerful, but if you just copy and paste everything it gives you, your work won't stand out. Always review, always refine, make it better. The third mistake is expecting fast results. This is where most people quit. They try for a few days, don't see money, and stop. But this is a skill, and like any skill, it takes time. Stay consistent. The fourth mistake is not understanding the value you're offering. You're not just using AI, you're solving a problem, helping someone save time, helping a business grow. That's what people pay for. The fifth mistake is overcomplicating everything. You don't need a perfect system. You don't need advanced tools. Start simple, improve as you go. So if you're trying to make money with AI, avoid these mistakes. Pick one path, stay consistent, and focus on delivering value. That's what actually works.